Today I want to talk about collision. Ouch, that's not a great word, but it does happen. Sometimes our vehicles get involved in an accident, and what's the process or what's the next step? Well, first we want to make sure we notify our insurance company and let them know that our property has been damaged. Next, the insurance company is going to advise you on how to proceed. And they're probably going to recommend a collision center to take the vehicle to, because there are preferred collision centers out there. And those are collision centers that are designed to fix your needs and your particular vehicle. So that's what you want to check with your insurance company about. You also want to make sure that parts availability are going to be, when you take the vehicle in, what's the timeline on getting that vehicle back to you. And you want to make sure you use a shop that has a AAA rating. So make sure that that place has got a good reputation and it's going to put your car back as close to new as possible. I'm Jamie Cobb for Auto Matters.